Little angel. We're all at the supermarket. Food for all the family. Juicy fruit and vegetables. I wanna pick them, me.
Can you find a vegetable?
Yeah!
It's tasty and bright green, and it looks like a little tree. It's so good for me. If you know what it is, pick some for me.
We know! It's broccoli!
That's right.
Yay! We're all at the supermarket. Food for all the family. Juicy fruit and vegetables. My turn to pick them, me.
Guess this fruit. Juicy, red or green, and it's round and so shiny. It grows in a tree. If you know what it is, pick one for me.
It's an apple!
No, it's a pear. Apple is right.
We're all at the supermarket. Food for all the family. Juicy fruit and vegetables. I want to pick them, me.
Ready, guys?
This fruit is round too. It's delicious and good for you. We squeeze them to make juice. If you know what it is, pick some for me. Oh,
It's an orange.
yes! That's a watermelon, buddy.
We're all at the supermarket. Food for all the family. Juicy fruit and vegetables. My turn to pick them, me.
Guess this vegetable. This one's orange too, and it grows from underground. Bunnies love them too. If you know what it is, pick some for me. Rabbits love crunchy carrots. Crunchy carrots. You got it.
Yeah! We're all at the supermarket. Food for all the family. Juicy fruit and vegetables. We love to help out, me.
Ready, guys? This one smells so strong.
So stinky it makes us cry.
It helps us fight off germs.
My name is Mahati Yasir. I am studying beans and brown beans. This is beans. Beans are vegetable. Beans are rich in fiber and protein. Thank you. This is Aman Mariam. I am studying this one. Apple fruit. Apple is very healthy. Make our body strong. It has fibers. It helps into digestion. Salika, I am studying UKG. Apple. The fruit, red in color.
Just like a queen, tomatoes are red, peas are green, a pickle has a crown. Just like a queen, potatoes are brown, onions are pink, that's lemon juice which I can drink. Potatoes are brown, onions are pink, that's lemon juice which I can drink. Vegetables make me happy and wise. I will get them daily with roti and rice. Vegetables make me happy and wise. I will get them daily with roti daily with roti and rice. Vegetables make me healthy and wise. I will eat them daily with roti and rice. So I hope you enjoyed this.
You know what it is. Pick one for me.
It's onions.
That's right.
We're all at the supermarket. Food for all the family. Juicy fruit and vegetables. We love to help out. Shopping's fun. Hey, Pappu, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡು, ತರಕಾರಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ.
ತರಕಾರಿ ಬೇಕೆ ತರಕಾರಿ ಬೇಕೆ ಬೇಕೆ ತರಕಾರಿ ತರತರವಾಗಿ ತರಕಾರಿ ಬೆರಳನ್ನು ಹೋಲುವ ಬೆಂಡೆಕಾಯಿ ಹಾವನ ಹೋಲುವ ಪಡುವಲಕಾಯಿ
ಬೇರೆ ಏನೇನ್ ತರಕಾರಿ ಇದೆ?
ಬಹುಲನ್ನು ಹೋಲುವ ನುಗ್ಗೆಕಾಯಿ ಗೋಳಾಕಾರದ ನಿಂಬೆಕಾಯಿ ನೀರನ್ನು ಕುಡಿಸುವ ಮೆಣಸಿನಕಾಯಿ ಬಜ್ಜಿಗೆ ತಕ್ಕ ಬದನೆಕಾಯಿ ಒರಟು ಚರ್ಮದ ಹಾಗಲಕಾಯಿ ಗೆರೆಗಳು ಇರುವ ಹೀರೆಕಾಯಿ ಬೇಕೆ ಬೇಕೆ ತರಕಾರಿ ತರತರ ಊಟಕ್ಕೆ ರುಚಿಕಾರಿ ಬೇಕೆ ಬೇಕೆ ತರಕಾರಿ ತರತರವಾಗಿ ತರಕಾರಿ ಬೆರಳನ್ನು ಹೋಲುವ ಬೆಂಡೆಕಾಯಿ ಹಾವನ ಹೋಲುವ ಪಡುವಲಕಾಯಿ
ಬೇರೆ ಏನೇನ್ ತರಕಾರಿ ಇದೆ?
ಬಹುಲನ್ನು ಹೋಲುವ ನುಗ್ಗೆಕಾಯಿ ಗೋಳಾಕಾರದ ನಿಂಬೆಕಾಯಿ ನೀರನ್ನು ಕುಡಿಸುವ ಮೆಣಸಿನಕಾಯಿ ಬಜ್ಜಿಗೆ ತಕ್ಕ ಬದನೆಕಾಯಿ ಒರಟು ಚರ್ಮದ ಹಾಗಲಕಾಯಿ ಗೆರೆಗಳು ಇರುವ ಹೀರೆಕಾಯಿ